now agitating the stripper, the chemicals. Maybe that's a better choice for words. David is now agitating the chemicals with a buffer here in the foreground. Right in here, you see what the wood looks like before we do anything to it. You know, we're in the background there. That is where the old coating has been totally removed and in the process of drying out. So this is the before, this is the during, this is the stripping phase, and there is the clean phase, the finish phase. We've got more to do to it. It just kind of gives you an idea of how we go about some of the phases of passive refinishing. Over here is where Jenna is doing the detail work around the perimeter. She's already removed the old finish right here in this section. Like David, she has put the chemical down on the floor right up against the baseboard. She's been agitating it with a brush, and then she'll clean it off, rinse it off to get it to look like this. So, as you can see, this is what it looks like. It matches up with the floor, surrounding floor. So it goes from this color right here, agitate it, get it off, and then you have it looking like this.